Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the opening match in the best-of-3 semi-finals. Scores are Titchfield High on 20, Ardenne High on 28. So you'll have noticed Ardenne picked up a point. The answer given to the question C3H6O2 is the formula for which chemical compound propanoic acid has been accepted by the judges. Also, Ardenne answered the first question incorrectly. According to the story of the 10 virgins in the book of Matthew, what specific time did the bridegroom come? The 9th hour was given, and I heard the midnight hour. My producer told them not to award the points. They did not get the point, but just for clarity, the answer is the midnight hour for that one. As we get into the buzzer challenge, teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. With that, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which person spoke these words in the Bible? My father, the Titchfield High. Elisha. Correct. Biology. In alternation of generations, what is the diploid stage of a plant that follows fertilization called?
Diploid stage follows fertilization.
English, ready?
Sporophyte, English language. Give the British spelling for maneuvering in Titchfield High.
M-A-N-O-U-E-V-R-I-N-G.
Incorrect. M-A-N-O-E-U-V-R-I-N-G. International Affairs of Visual 1 teams. Look at the following clip. Identify this person, please. Titchfield.
Kitaklib.
Ban Ki-moon, former UN Secretary General. Incorrect. Chemistry. What is formed when sodium hydroxide solution reacts with phenol?
Next one.
Sodium phenoxide solution. Music and Audio 1 teams, listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song. Titchfield High.
Ocean Ice.
That's right. General knowledge. In which South American country is the Morumbi football stadium? Brazil. Spanish. What is the English translation for El piso está sucio? El piso. Titchfield.
The floor is dirty. The floor is dirty.
That's right. Geography. The Volcan Baru is one of the highest. Titchfield.
Peru.
Incorrect. Panama. In Central America. Theater and cinema of Visual 1 teams. Look at the following clip. Identify this person. Ardenne.
Amanda Seyfried.
That's right. Information technology. CAPTCHA, C-A-P-T-C-H-A, checks, are the strings of letters and numbers that have to be typed in on some web pages before something can be saved. What does the T stand for in Ardenne High?
Turing.
That's correct. History. On September 7, 1822, who declared Brazil's independence from Portugal, founding the Empire of Brazil, which led to a 2-year war of independence? Prince Dom Pedro. Mathematics. If $1,050 is shared in the ratio of 1 to 3 to 4, what would be the largest? Ardenne?
3, 2, 25. So, $496.
$525. Physics. One of 3 processes of beta decay is positron emission. Name the other 2.
Next one.
Electron emission and electron capture. Sport of Visual 1 teams. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Titchfield High.
Jeffrey Dujon.
Correct. Former West Indies cricketer, Jamaican heritage in May 1960, who resigned as leader of the West Indies Federal Labour Ardenne.
Granny Adams.
Incorrect, Sir Alexander Bustamante. French. Translate this sentence to English. Il pleut beaucoup aujourd'hui. Ardenne.
It rained a lot. It rained a lot today.
It is raining heavily today. Literature. Which novel by George Lamming details the story of Flora? A Fola, that should be, a middle-class girl. Fola. Season of Adventure. Art. Penitent Magdalene is a Titchfield.
Donatello.
Correct, a 15th century work. Bible knowledge. What was the name of the sister of Agrippa who is mentioned Titchfield?
Drusilla.
Bernice in the Book of Acts, incorrect. Biology, what is the anatomical term for the middle part of the larynx? Titchfield. The glottis, incorrect. English language, change this sentence to the past continuous tense. We won't have time for that. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores look to be Titchfield High on 20, Ardenne High victorious on 26. We will double check those scores as usual and return with the final results right after these messages.